Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a look at the 2PCS Barstools bar chairs for your home kitchen. These chairs are not only stylish and modern, but they're also incredibly comfortable thanks to the soft leather cushion and high ribbon sponge. You can sit for hours without any discomfort or deformation. These bar chairs are adjustable in height from 60-80 centimeters, making them suitable for a variety of table heights. Whether you're using them in your kitchen, dining area, coffee shop, or even at home, these bar chairs are versatile and practical for any space. The non-slip back chairs are also a great feature, with a sturdy round base that prevents scratches on the floor and eliminates any harsh sounds when moving the chairs. And the best part? These bar stools are incredibly easy to install, with all parts and instructions included. If you're in the market for high-quality, stylish, and comfortable bar chairs, look no further. Check out the link in the description to get your own 2PCS Barstools bar chairs for your home kitchen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations.